Hi, I'm Olivia Dalton and I'm the Managing Lawyer at LawPath. Today, I'm going to clear up the confusion around labour hire licensing, recruitment services, and contracting arrangements that could save your business from costly legal headaches. First, let's talk about labour hire. This is when your business provides workers to another business, but you remain their employer. You pay their wages, you handle their entitlements, while they perform work for your client. If your business operates in this model, you likely need a labour hire licence in most Australian states. Operating without one can result in penalties for up to $400,000 for corporations. For example, if you run a nursing agency that supplies registered nurses to hospitals during staff shortages, you're operating a labour hire model. Your agency employs the nurses, pays their wages and entitlements, while they work at various hospitals under hospital management. And remember, each state has different requirements, so compliance isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Now we'll talk about recruitment services. Recruitment services are different. Here, you're connecting employees with candidates, but once hired, the worker becomes the client's employee. You're not involved in the ongoing employment relationship. While recruitment doesn't require the same licensing as labour hire, you still need clear contracts defining your services, your fees, and you must comply with anti-discrimination laws and various other policies and procedures during the selection process. Now let's move on to contracting. For contracting, independent contractors are businesses themselves. They use their own equipment, set their hours, and can work for multiple clients. Genuine contractors issue invoices, they have ABNs, and they aren't entitled to leave. The key risk here is sham contracting, misclassifying employees as contractors to avoid employment obligations. Courts look at the real nature of the relationship, not just what's written in the contract. We have a detailed video available on this topic if you need more information. The critical differences are labour hire. You employ the worker who works for someone else. Recruitment. You connect the employer and the candidate, but you don't employ either of them. And finally, contracting. You engage a separate business entity to provide services to you. Getting these distinctions wrong can expose your business to significant liability for unpaid entitlements, taxes, and penalties. If you're uncertain which model applies to your business or need help with compliance, contact us for a consultation.